At KBIS 2026, one company is redefining what surfaces can do.
This is gorgeous. This is so smooth.
Cosentino, the family-owned business founded in Spain, has grown from a small stone business into a global leader in high-performance surfacing, proving that style and function can coexist. Patty Dominguez, VP of Business Development, guides us through their incredible booth, showing how Cosentino blends design, durability, and sustainability. These surfaces aren't just beautiful, they're engineered to perform indoors and outdoors.
Inside the booth, what you'll see and what I'm most excited about is we are launching a new collection, a new product. It's the first time in 10 years that we bring something new because we have Decton, we have Silestone, and today we are launching Eclos by Cosentino.
And we're at the Eclos Cafe.
And this is the Eclos
And we've
Cafe.
got it behind us.
And we have it behind us. And it has been so exciting to see the reaction of the designers come through and tell us their feedback about this product. And so that is definitely what I'm most excited about.
Right here in the chic Eclos Cafe area, they're unveiling their latest collection, Zero Silica, and finishes from polished to suede, light to dark. It's sustainable, it's stunning, and it's made for every design style.
So there's 6 colors.
Something for everybody.
Yes, so you have darks and whites and cream colors. But the other thing is you can see is there's also different textures. So there's polished, and on this end you'll see the suede, so it feels literally like a suede texture, and then the polished, so you can have it either one.
So you have something for everybody and any preference.
Any preference, and dark hues and lighter hues. Right here is one of my favorites. This is Decton, and you can see in VisiCook, which is one of our incredible partners, this is induction cooking. And so all you do is you can see it here in 2 seconds, it'll start boiling.
And this doesn't get hot.
It doesn't get hot. So it's integrated underneath and doesn't get hot, and it's fabulous.
But Cosentino goes beyond countertops. Semi-custom vanities feature wireless charging, and every installation is seamless and effortless. Designers and architects are seeing endless possibilities in every display.
This is also one of our partners, James Martin, and something really, really cool to show about here is right here you can see this. This is free power, and if you have a phone, you can charge it.
Your phone?
You can literally charge your phone. You go like this. Usually that light's not on, the pink light. Yeah. And then right now, it just turned on. And it's charging. See, right there.
It's a smart vanity.
It's a smart vanity. And so all of the tops are Silestone and now Eclos. And James Martin, who's one of our partners, they have beautiful cabinetry.
These are beautiful.
And they come and literally you can order this and get it in your home, delivered to your home within like 3 weeks. It's as semi-custom, but with the wireless charging.
Immediate gratification.
Fabulous. Exactly. It's amazing. And here are the shower pan and the walls that I was telling you about. Seamless, easy.
It's so clean and sleek, and
Yeah.
I feel like I might blend right into the shower.
You do blend right in.
All white.
I don't. But I live in Texas, and we always worry about mold and in general, and this is the perfect product for it because Decton it just is so easy to maintain, to clean, it doesn't stain.
Product innovation to design flexibility, Cosentino proves that any dream space is possible. If you can imagine it, you can create it.
Whatever your dream is for your home, you can do it. We have every surface of everything, anything that you would like. It's endless possibilities.
Well, that's because Patty's leading the show here with a great team. This is an incredible display that you have at KBIS, and thank you for having us.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.